Hey guys, it's Daniel today. Today I got a very special guest. His name is Sam. He's my son, and he's going to help me do some CGC unboxings because it's all going to be his one day anyway. So I went ahead and I opened up the boxes just to make it easier, especially with him being right here. So I went ahead and got all this tape up. Oh, are you ready? All right, let's see what we got him. Is this just one slide? Yeah, this is just one slide. Alright. Oh, hang on. Let me help you. Let me help you. Here, pull it. Pull it. Ah, there you go. Good job. Alright. That needs to... I gotta use the knife, but you can help me with this too. So, I think this... What is this? Alright, yeah, this was an eBay purchase. So the seller shipped this super well. I am not that strict, especially when it comes to graded books, on how you ship it to me. But I know other people are, and they would be extremely happy with how this was shipped. So that's awesome. Yeah, it's shipped really well because I can't even open it. I know, are you just so excited right now? I'm trying. That's you. That's you, little boy. There we go. There we go. Alright, now I can get it. Help me. Help me. Good job. Alright, you ready to see what it is? Oh, that was a raw book too. Yep. So let's see what raw book this is. Alright, so for the raw book, it's a copy of The Boys, number 3. Look, Sam. Look. Which is the first appearance of the Seven and Homelander. CGC is about to have a grading or a signing with the guy that plays Homelander. His name escapes me at the moment because I'm trying to keep an eye on him. But I'm definitely going to send this in for that signing because, like a lot of people, I love Homelander. This one has a nick kind of up there close to the staple. So best case scenario, I get this pressed by this, not CGCS, but the pressing company that CGC uses, and it comes back like a 9.2. Either way, I'm happy with it. So, The Boys, issue number 3. And then this was just kind of an impulse thing. And I got these together as a lot from the same seller. But we got The Boys number 1. Look, it's The Boys. You don't watch this yet. You're not going to either. For a long time. But this is a good book. This is super clean. It's a 9.0 white pages. First appearance of Butcher, Terror, Huey, and A-Train. So, that's pretty cool. I've actually met Carl Urban at a Comic-Con in New Orleans, and I had him sign a Judge Dredd poster. And he's one of the coolest people I've ever met. He was very humble, he was nice, and he was genuine, which is kind of rare. A lot of people are kind of a-holes. But that's cool. So, Sam, you got a copy of The Boys number 1. And it looks clean, especially with the black cover and the have white pages. That's awesome. You ready for the next one? Please don't hit your head. Alright, here. Help me. Help me. Help me. It's like it's Christmas. We're a month early for Christmas. Come on, help me. Who needs toys when you have paper? Alright. Okay. Alright. So I've got a lot of boxes and I've got to go to the post office and mail anyway, so this helps me out tremendously. Alright. I gotta help you with this one. Alright, Bubba. Look, it's This one's yours. Oh, yeah, that one's yours. Look. So it's a 9/8 first full appearance of Doomsday. I've wanted this book probably since the beginning of the year. Because my belief on it is that you take a character like Doomsday, a character like Bane, somebody that had important significance to the mythos and the stories and everything, and 9/8 of their first appearances to me should be way more sought after as well as valuable in comparison to people like Harley Quinn. Like, she's cool and all, but what has she really done? But that's just my opinion, you know. Give me some feedback and let me know if you agree or disagree. And then we got one more. Now with that, I think it's the 5th print that's got a more limited print edition. So that's the one that's considered to be worth money. I don't really care at this point. I just wanted a 9/8 first Doomsday. And let's see what this one is. Now these two, both of them came from mycomicshop.com, which is also Lone Star Comics out of Texas. You can find really good deals from that website. And normally whenever I get ready to price things on eBay, I'll compare eBay sold listings as well as what they have listed on their website. And normally that's how I come up with my prices for online sales. What is it? You're doing so good. You see that light? It's okay, Bubba. But hey, this is the last one, and then we can go play. We'll go play, okay? Samuel. Hey. Oh. All right, and then on this one, we've got a 9/6 white pages, origin and first appearance of Typhoid Mary for Daredevil 2-54. Another book, I probably wanted this one for like 2 or 3 years now, but then as soon as I went to go buy it, that same day, the actress was cast to play her in the Iron Fist series. So naturally, the price on the book spiked, and it's just now started to calm down and come back to reality for what it is. I still think for high grades, the price on it is a little bit ridiculous because it used to be a $50 book, but I got a really good deal for both of these. And this one's yours too. You're not going to understand the story of this until you're way older. This one you'll get when you're like 7. It's easy. We'll watch the movie on it later. They got a movie on that one. We'll watch it. That's cool. Yeah, me and my friend Dustin, we were supposed to have part 2 of our CGC Mail Call, but somehow that got lost in the mail and sent back to CGC, so now we're on a setback, but that should be back in this week, and that's an expensive mail call, because it's got all kinds of Silver Age and Copper. It's got nothing but CGC goodness. And our first video was like a home run for me because I got 2 9/8s out of it. So we're going to be hopeful with what we get back. It's okay, Bubba. Alright guys, I got time for a bottle and a nap for this little guy. Thank you guys for watching, and drop me a comment and discuss with what I think about books. Thank you.